blinds, and shades add an elegant touch to any window, and an accurate measurement is key to making the right purchase. With these tips, you can measure your windows like a pro. Here's what you'll need. To get started, choose a window covering. Then you'll need to decide on an inside mount or an outside mount for your blinds or shades. Inside mount blinds and shades are installed inside the window casing. Because they are flush with the window, they may not provide as much light control, so they are often coupled with curtains or draperies. Outside mounts go on the outside of the window casing. Since all the gaps are covered, you tend to get more light control with this style. When measuring for inside mount blinds or shades, measure the inside width of the window from top, middle, and bottom. Measure the height from left, middle, and right. Then measure the depth of the window to find the width of your shade. Getting a precise measurement is important, so round to the nearest 1/8 of an inch. When measuring for outside mount blinds or shades, make sure you have enough wall space surrounding your window to accommodate the headrail and mounting brackets, which can be up to 2.5 inches tall. Adding an extra 3 inches to the overall width and height will give you ultimate light control and privacy. Now that you know how to measure for blinds and shades, you'll be able to choose the perfect window covering for your space. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.